In this video, I'm going to show you how to add HTML code to a Squarespace site. A lot of people don't realize that Squarespace supports direct HTML input, which is useful if you want to add a specific element or widget from another service using its HTML embed code. To begin, go to the left-hand side of your Squarespace dashboard and click on Pages. Choose the page where you want to add the HTML code. Once you're on that page, click Edit to begin editing the layout. Now find the section where you want to place the HTML and click on the Add Block button. In the block search bar, type Code. You'll see a block labeled Code appear. Click on it. The code block editor will appear with a small pencil icon. Click on this icon to start editing. By default, the language is set to HTML, so leave it as is. Now you can type or paste your HTML code directly into the editor. As soon as you enter the code, you'll see the element it represents appear on your page. Whether it's a widget, form, or interactive feature, the HTML block will render it accordingly. And that's how you can easily add HTML to your Squarespace site.